Yeah, I'm here. Thank you so much.
Why,
Thanks so much. I was
Bhumika, why is she gone on mute?
sorry.
No, I was asking Bhumika, why is she gone on mute?
Okay, my laptop closed down for a second, so I just reopened it. I don't know what happened. It got shut down.
So, Vaishali was right there, going, come.
Hi, Vaishali.
Hi, how are you, Bhumika? I was literally in tears when Soma was talking about her story. Actually speaking, I have a same kind of story almost. My father is on bed for some time, like, and I'm taking care of my parents. I'm sorry if my voice is shaking so much.
Yes,
Uh,
no
so
apologies. Just be who you are. Don't worry.
yeah, we had a caretaker earlier, till the lockdown happened. So now he's like totally on bed. I don't know why. A person who was totally like, I've seen my father so strong, and it's like really, not good to see him like this. He's totally on bed. In the morning only, I just like one person comes to like give him bath and everything. Then I make him sit for some time for 10 minutes to have tea. Then he's on bed for the whole day. He's not having his meals properly now. He cannot walk properly. Earlier he used to walk everything. Since last year, like, things went wrong. And that's it. And I'm also having some kind of few financial problems myself. My husband lost his job during this lockdown. That's it. I would like to have a Kashik reading why this is happening with me.
Okay. May I know your full name, please?
I'm Vaishali
Vaishali
Sood. I'm
Sood.
Vaishali Sood.
Okay. Your date of birth?
It's 14 April 1973.
14th. Okay. Can you do you mind standing for a second, please?
Yeah, sure. I'll do that. I don't know whether you can see me properly. Can you? Or shall I? 1 second. You need a full this thing? I'm actually alone at shop, so
Okay. No
can you
problem.
make it?
No problem. Okay, you can come back.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, sorry, I was like little emotional with.
Vaishali,
Yeah.
I just want to ask that how is your you have to be a little bit honest. How is your nature otherwise with outsiders? Like when you see a beggar on the road, or when you see a person suffering on the road, how is you feeling about them?
Okay. I feel sympathetic, but I have a problem. I have pukish में बहुत गंदगी आती है.
Exactly. So you are muted. Vaishali, you're muted.
Hello.
Yeah. So you have a
I've
puking
lost.
problem. You have a vomiting issue, and that's the reason you cannot see, and you just close your eyes and walk away,
No, I
right?
don't walk. I give them something, but yes, I cannot
But
see.
you cannot
Uh,
take it. You cannot
yes,
take it.
yes.
So what I can see in your past, when you were a man, who was a drunkard man who used to drink a lot. And in this lifetime, you must be hating the people who drinks. In your this lifetime, you must be hating the people who drink in front of you or who drinks. So basically, you hate. So in your past life, you were a drunkard man who always used to drink and fall, and who used to ignore people who were in problem or who were facing any issues. You used to ignore them and walk away because you were living the life in you. This is the, and even in your lifetime, once you saw that there was a female who was having a major health issue, and she was lying down on the road and she was calling for help from the people, whereas no people uh, see her, no people could help her. Even you ignored her and walked away, walked ahead, because you were not in your senses. And just just to teach you this lesson of your past, in this lifetime, the dad is having a problem, the health issue of a bedridden, so that you don't ignore anymore in the future. And this is the reason in your this lifetime you hate people who are boozing or who are drinking, or you don't like them standing in front of them, or you must be not liking they drinking in front of you. Either you get angry on them, either you get upset, either you walk away from these people, because it is your past pattern which is teaching you that this is what you are.
Okay. And what, like, how to get rid of it, or maybe how to rectify it?
So for that you can take a session.
Okay, sure. Sure, sure, sure. Why not?
Great. And
So how
yes,
much do
okay.
you correlate, how much do you relate to this thing?
Uh, yes, I do relate to it. I get very, very pukish if I smell something bad. If I cannot stand someone is vomiting or some strong smell. I cannot stand that since
Exactly.
childhood. Yes,
Exactly.
even today I cannot stand that.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Bhumika. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishali.